All right, these were just my crescent rolls that I unrolled on the bottom of my greased 9x13. All right, and I'm instantly gonna come in with my blueberry pie filling. I absolutely love blueberry pie filling, but you can use whatever pie filling you like for this. And we're gonna use that whole can of blueberry pie filling. You can home make your crescent rolls and your pie filling to make this a, homemade dessert, but I wanted a super quick and easy dessert for all of you guys, and hopefully it can give you some great inspiration. And we are going to spread that from edge to edge on top of our crescents. Now, like I said, I use the crescent rolls, but you can also just use the crescent dough, or you can use a puff pastry, a pie crust, whatever your preference is, that's what you can use. But this is gonna be absolutely delicious and super easy. All right, and right after our pie filling, we're instantly gonna come in with some whipped cream cheese. It's gonna give a nice little savory taste to our sweet dessert. And we're just gonna use our spatula and kind of just put little dollops of our cream cheese right in there. We will give it a nice little marbling effect. So just hang on there, and we're gonna use about half of our 12 ounces of whipped cream cheese. Now you can use a softened cream cheese, but the whipped is just so much easier for this because it spreads like butter, which is exactly what we want. See how we're getting a fun little marble effect? We don't want just clunks of cream cheese in our dessert. We want kind of a mix of the pie filling and the cream cheese. Oh my, that looks absolutely delicious. Yum. All right, and I did have that second container of our crescents, so we're gonna go ahead and pop that open. Just like so. And this is gonna go right on top as our top crust. Just gently roll it out like we did with our first one. Oh, talk about perfection. All right, you guys, my oven is set to 350 and this is gonna be in there for about 25 minutes. While that's in the oven, I'm gonna grab a small bowl and a small whisk, and I'm gonna bring in my powdered sugar, and we're gonna add about half a cup of powdered sugar into our small bowl. Perfect. And into that bowl, we're also gonna add a little bit of vitamin D milk, and just a small splash. We'll add more if we need it, but that should be plenty. That might have even been too much. And we're gonna grab our whisk and start mixing that together to create a delicious and easy icing to go on top of our blueberry dessert. This is ready, so let's go ahead and check on our dessert in the oven. All right, you guys, we took this out of the oven and let it sit for about 15 minutes. It is time to dig in, but I'm first gonna grab that icing that we made, give it another mix because I had it in the fridge, and it's time to drizzle that on top of our delicious blueberry cream cheese pastry. Oh, easiest dessert you'll ever make. So simple, just a few ingredients. And this delicious icing is really gonna pull everything together. Obviously, you could skip the icing, but I personally love the icing for this. Beautiful. All right, I'm just gonna bring in my knife and we're gonna cut a slice. Oh, perfectly cooked. Honestly, you could even eat this as like a little breakfast pastry if you have a sweet tooth like me. But I cannot wait to try this. That came out even better than I expected. Oh my goodness. Wow. That is so good, you guys. It's a home run. You have to try it.